All right, how's it going? So today we're making a chicken mayo. I've got some leftover chicken from a roast chicken that I had, and I love to make a little salad with this. So chicken, mayonnaise, I've got onions in there, sweet corn, bell peppers, and as you can see just to the left there, I use this lovely hot pepper sauce in there, which I love. Grew up on that stuff, absolutely beautiful. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so what I've got here is I've got some cooked chicken. This is from a roast chicken that we had yesterday, so that's the balance of it. I like to do that. You can do it with raw chicken, then you'll have to fry it up and everything, but just going with some roast chicken there. 2 cups, 1 cup onion, 1 cup corn. I got that from a can. You can use frozen if you want, or fresh if you're lucky enough. 1 cup of bell pepper, I'm using red, 1 cup of mayo, and then I love this. I'm a big fan of Encona. Now, I'm not endorsed by them. I wish I was actually, because I love it. But yeah, this is my favorite of all time hot pepper sauce. This is a West Indian Jamaican hot pepper sauce. It really is lovely. You can use something else like Tabasco or one of your other favorites if you want. Really simply, little mix. So you can see I've got the items in the bowl: chicken, corn, onion and peppers. And again, if you want, put some other bits in there that you like. You might want to put some pickle in or something. I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper. I like that in there, but not salt. I think that the mayo that we're using has got enough salt in, but again, if you wanted, you could do that. Okay, so the pepper sauce, I've actually got it in every format available because I do love this stuff. This is a squeezy bottle. Now this is very hot, it's not mild, so add whatever you like. I've put in a couple of teaspoons of that. Then the mayo, and 1 cup of mayo. You might want to add more. I don't really like my salad swimming in it. Some people do, so adjust it again as you want. And if you wanted, think about getting some chopped herbs in there or something, some coriander, parsley or basil or something like that. Let's give that a mix. We've done it, job done. Okay, and there you go, super, super easy. So that is great on toast. That's great in some sandwiches, or that's great on a bed of lettuce. Absolutely wonderful. I'll see you soon. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.